Hello guys and welcome to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete GitHub repository. If for those who are wondering what this is all about, GitHub here is an SCM, a source code manager, and you can sign into it by simply going to the web and typing GitHub search, and it gives you this result right here. And this is how you get into GitHub. You can sign in if you have an account, or you can join and create a new account for yourself. And once you're in GitHub, guys, you have to create repositories so you can practice in this video along with me. Okay, so these are my repositories right here. They are obvious here because I've just made reference to them recently. And you can find them as well by going to the right hand corner of your screen right here and clicking on this icon right here. It drops down and shows you your repositories, and you can click right here and it gives you a list of your repositories here. Let's assume I want to delete this one. I'm going to click on this one and it displays this page. Okay, next I'll click on the top here, it says settings, click right there, and it displays this page, general. You can go right down, scroll down, and towards the end of the screen you see danger zone. Here it says change visibility, transfer, archive this repository, delete this repository, and that's the option I would choose here, delete this repository. Okay, so if we choose this option here, it shows this page here, and we can type in what it says here in this tab, and once we do that, guys, we can confirm. Before you do this, guys, note that this action cannot be undone, so be certain that you want to delete this repository. So once you're happy with all that, guys, go ahead, type this in here, and you click on where it says I understand the consequences, delete this repository, and at this the repository is deleted. Alright guys, that's the video. Thank you for watching and please subscribe. Bye for now.